What's good, mi gente, my peoples, mi familia? It's Nico. Day 3, 75 hard, walking the rocksters. And what you like, mama? What you like? What you like? All right, come on, let's walk. I am enjoying this beautiful weather. It's a little chilly today here in Florida, but ain't nothing compared to what's going on in other places right now. Kind of got a little bit of a late start today because of the time that I went to sleep, and I woke up and I edited my video. Roxy, right away. Roxy, that's a little fluffy, doggy. Come on, he's a nice doggy. No, come on. Anyway, so me and Roxy are going to be walking around the building for 45 minutes for my first 45-minute workout. Let's go, baby. Day 3. I care a little bit more about my hair and the way I look. Oh my God. Look at that. I used to be so picky about my hair and the way that I look, and now it's like I'm really busy with other things. I really soon I'm gonna start caring more about the way that I look again. I used to be so picky. I can still be picky, but I used to be so picky about the way my hair looked. These little hairs that fly out. Oh, I could not see that. I have to gel it down. I could not stand it. And I look at myself. I still look at myself, and I'm like, girl, do something with it. But I be so busy with everything else. My looks are coming like really not priority, but it's okay. In this season of my life, right now, it's just not important. But now that I'm talking about it, I'm just gonna gel it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Might as well. Just a little bit, just so I don't look like a crazy woman on camera. Nor do I have a lot of the products and tools that I used to. Over the years, things were stolen from me, lost, broken, got old, and never purchased again, as the priorities in my life have changed from myself to my children. But thankfully my husband still finds me very, very attractive. Okay. all of this. This is my lunch brunch, my breakfast. I haven't really eaten anything yet. I only drank a cup of coffee. And so I am going to make egg whites. I gotta keep it simple. Egg whites, put a little cheese in the egg whites with a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning. 3 slices of turkey bacon. I weigh everything out. I eat about 230 grams of egg whites, and I weigh it on this little scale I got on Amazon. It's a little dirty, but it looks like this. And I measure everything that I eat in tablespoons, teaspoons. I try to be, on top of that so I can keep track of my calories. That's how I'm able to document everything in my Fitbit app. So, let's get to cooking. vanilla low-fat yogurt, some granola, and a teaspoon of PB2 on top. Delicious. Trying to chug this bottle of water. Oh my gosh, look at my shirt. I look like I'm a 4-year-old. Almost there. You have 16. Dunzo. That's my air fryer. You're sitting on top of my air fryer. Good job. Go. Romaine lettuce. Tuna fish. With some mayo and some adobo. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? You do a little of this. You do a lot of this. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how many calories is in this, but I'll calculate it later. He's working, he's walking, he's getting that exercise in, baby. So, we're off to a good start. I'm gonna walk for 15 minutes. I mean 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Let's do this. Grilled chicken with some white rice. Not a little bit, just a little scoop. I mean, not a lot, just a little scoop. I said that all wrong. And broccoli. Now I'm at my office. Still working, trabajando, reselling. I got my little box there. Anyways, got Noah over there working. Say hi, Noah. Say hello. Yeah, and then I have one more workout to do, and I pretty much drank a gallon of water today. So I've been sitting here for like a while talking, and I need to do my last workout. I'm gonna get on my treadmill for 45 minutes and watch some YouTube videos, probably. YouTube videos, yeah, or maybe something on Netflix while I walk. And that's gonna be the end of day 3.
19, man.
That's right, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's bust busted my behind. I'm in my living room, treadmill, getting my last 45-minute workout in. It has been hard to get these tasks done today, with everything else I have going on in life. And honestly, I just feel tired, but I'm getting it done. And the last stretch of the day is like literally 11:20, so I have, oh my gosh, I might be running a little bit behind on my workout to fit it in the day, but I don't care. I'm getting it done, and I will not be restarting because of the time. But I'm getting it done, and yeah, this will probably be the last video clip I share. I will share my stats, and of course checking off my 75 hard app. Sorry, I'm tired and it's late. And then my stats. I got a lot of steps in today. I'm about to get a lot more in right now. And I'll share all that right after this.